Dear students, in this video we are moving to the next topic, that is the racial utopia. Under the shadow of war, the Nazis proceeded to release their murderous racial idea. Genocide and war became two-sided of the same coin. Occupied Poland was divided up. Much of northwestern Poland was annexed to Germany. Poles were forced to leave their homes and properties behind to be occupied by ethnic Germans brought in from occupied Europe. Poles were the herds like cattle in the other parts called general government. The destination of all undesirable of the empire. Then we have seen that when the Poland was occupied and Poland became an experimental area for Nazi government. So they are forcefully taking the Polish people or Poland people to different parts of the world, and they becoming the herded cattle. And because the Nazi government want to keep the undesirable people in Poland area. Then the members of the Polish intelligentsia was murdered in a large number in order to keep entire people intellectually and spiritually survive. Because the Nazi people want to keep the Poland under them. For that for that purpose, those who was helping the people in a good way, we want to do like this. Those who was guiding them, or those who was in administrative, they used to Poland people. They become murdered or they killed by German people. And Polish children who looked like Aryans were forcibly snatched from their mothers and examined by a race expert. Then the children, those who are looking like the Aryan children of German, then the police used to come and take the children and going for the racial test. They was conducting the racial test. If they are getting pass mark, they can be, they should join with this Aryan group. Other people they will send it back, and they will come and with the Poland parents, but they want to be exiled from that area. If they passed the race test, they were raised in German families. If not, they were deposited in the orphanage, were most perished. With some of the largest ghettos we know already what it is, where Jews are living, and gas chambers. The general government also served as killing field for Jews, where they was keeping the Jews to kill that area. That if the children, those who are become failure in the racial test, they were used to send to the orphanage or into the gas chamber. Then again it is given step to death. Some of the dates, important dates and events it is given that you can read by yourself. Steps to death: exclusion 1933 to 39. Then comes 1940 to 44. Then 41 onwards. And what we studied that things only, but you can see the pictures. From that you can understand how much horrible it was, how the Nazi people was treating others in a perishing way, or to kill them, or how much the euthanasia program they conducted, like that things you can understand that one, what was the condition of concentration camp, and like that things it is given. Already we discussed same thing, it is given in a like a collage form it is given. Then next one, it is youth in Nazi Germany. Hitler was fantastically interested in youth for the country. He felt that a strong Nazi society could be established only by teaching children Nazi ideology. This requires a control over the children both inside and outside the school. So everywhere we are seeing that the same thing, the training of the children, that is important. Education is important. By that only we can develop our country. Same way Hitler also understood that he want to concentrate on the children So he is started to control the children inside the school as well as the outside. What happened in the school under Nazi? All schools were cleansed and purified. Means already we have discussed that one. They taken all other children other than these Aryan children taken away from out of the school. It means the children who were Jews are seen as politically unreliable were dismissed. Children were dismissed. Means the Jews and other means low caste children, or only the these Aryan children was able to study or permitted to study in the school. All other students dismissed from the school. Children were first segregated. Germans and Jews could not sit together or play together. Then for that purpose what they done, they separated children, and Jews and the Germans should not sit together. In India also we had the same system, caste system. Untouchable should not sit with the higher class people like that. The same way they also done there in Germany. Then subsequently undesirable children, Jews, the physically handicapped, gypsies were thrown out of the school. First dismissed, then made it two groups, then slowly they sent them out. And finally in 1940 they were taken to the gas chambers, and those who were separated undesirable group, that children taken to gas chambers in 1940s. Good German children were subjected a process of Nazi school, a prolonged period of ideology training. School textbooks were rewritten. Racial science was introduced to justify Nazi ideas of race. Stereotypes about Jews were popularized even through maths class. Children were taught to be loyal and submissive, hate Jews, worship Hitler. Even the functions of the sports was to nurture the spirit of violence and aggression among people. Hitler believed that boxing could make children iron-hearted and strong and masculine. So after the this division, what Hitler done or Nazi government done, they started to change the syllabus. That syllabus according to the need of the Nazi government. They want to teach about what is Nazism and how the children want to hate the Jews, how they want to be aggressive, how they want to be hate the Jews and want to be more stronger physically as well as mentally. Like that subject started to taught, or even maths class or physical education classes they used for. Means all the subject they are making use for the popularizing the Nazist ideology. Youth organizations were made responsible for educating German youth in the spirit of National Socialism. Then they are organizing some of the youth group itself. For what? To giving this ideology in the minds of the youth. What is the ideology they want to give? The spirit of National Socialism. 10-year-old has to enter Jungwalk. At the 14 years, all boys had to join in Nazi youth organization, that is Hitler Youth, where they learned to worship war, glorify aggression and violence, condemn democracy and hate Jews. Communist and gypsies, all those categorized as undesirable. And 14 years onwards there was teaching that the theories or the ideas of the Jews, like which one? Once again please underline that one. There was taught to worship war, glorify aggression and violence, condemn democracy and hate Jews. And Jews, communist, gypsies and all those are organized as undesirable. Then slowly they are listening the same words again and again. First time when we listen, second time we will think like this. We also feel like that, okay, somebody is saying let it be, I won't join. But all the teachers, all the instructors, they are giving the same idea again and again. Knowingly or unknowingly we will start to believe that this is the reality, only these things are good, like that we also will feel, because we are hearing that one only. For example, the influence of media we know. Nowadays we are using TV or newspaper or social medias, and if you are conducting a survey in our school with only 9th standard students, we can see that one all 22 students having different ideology in their mind, different types of attitude, and if you are checking that one, which program you are watching every day, according to that your attitudes are changing or your character is changing. So same way it happened there in Germany also. After a period of rigorous ideological and physical training, they joined the labor service, usually at the age of 18. Means 4 years it is continuous as well as rigorous training they will get. Then they want to join in the labor service in the age of 18. Then they had to serve the armed force and enter one of the Nazi organization. In 18 years they want to really, in other words we can say, they should join in police or army. The Youth League of Nazi was founded in 1922. 4 years later it was renamed Hitler Youth. In starting, what was the name of the youth organization? That was Youth League. Then slowly it is changed to Hitler Youth. To unify the youth movement under Nazi control, all other youth organizations were systematically dissolved with and the finally banned. Then how they banned all the other political parties and social groups, like that the youth organization also they slowly they dissolved with the Hitler Youth, or finally they banned that one. Then we can see the source C, source D, like that things you can read by yourself. The next topic, it is the Nazi cult of motherhood. Okay, that we will continue next day. Thank you. Have a nice day.